Hello there. Welcome to my small YouTube channel, where I talk about mindset growth on finance and how to actually grow your finance by making money online. In this video, I'm going to talk about how I made my first money online just by writing stories. Yes, you heard that right. Stories. Just like most people. I've searched for different ways to make money online. I've attended online courses. I've been scammed a few times over by some of these online gurus. And each time I failed, I looked for another way to make money online. Always changing from one thing to another until I came across this online app that would pay me just for writing stories. Then I said to myself, this is it. This is my next big opportunity. I didn't have to pay a dime to start. All I needed is a pen and a sheet of paper and my imagination. So I started writing on a blank sheet, crafting a good storyline with my crazy imagination, reflecting back on all the crazy movies I've watched. It's finally time to put them to good use, I thought. And in 1 week, I was done with my first 5,000 words. Which was all I needed to apply for a contract. According to the system, it takes just 14 working days to get a feedback. And in 14 days' time, I got an email. My story was accepted. It felt like I was on top of the world. I continued writing more. And when I hit 30K words, I got my first signing bonus of $100. Then came my monthly MAB, which was $150. That makes it $250, which was sent to my account by month end. And there's still more to come. All this just for writing novels. How awesome is that? You can do it too. The platform I made my first money from is a website called GoodNovel. It's easy to apply. Here's how. You can get the app from your Play Store or a link in the description below. Or go to your Chrome or any browser and search for GoodNovel. Open an account using Google. Pick a Gmail account and click on Continue to create an account. It's that simple. Once you're logged in, click on Become a GoodNovel Writer. Then you will be redirected to this page where you'll see all the writer's benefits. $100 signing bonus and $150 monthly bonus. Completion bonus, and the rest, just by writing novels with your imagination, which is one of the ways to create wealth that I talked about in one of my previous videos. That's it. It's that simple. Or if you need someone to guide you in everything you need to know about writing and getting a contract on this platform, you can join my WhatsApp community, where we guide you on how to apply for a contract. We also go as far as to proofread your work and make corrections or give you advice on what to do to avoid rejection, all for free once you join our WhatsApp group. Link in the description below. Like, share, and follow for more if you found this helpful. See you in my next video.